last part, we have discussed about the Cartesian coordinate. We will discuss the general rules of graphical presentation of data with the help of example. Let us consider the example. The following data was collected about the strength of the students in college in different years. Present it with suitable graph. Now, year-wise number of students are given in the college. So, we have to present the data with suitable graph. Now, presenting the data, I have selected the bar graph. So, let us consider how to draw the bar graph and discuss these general rules of graphical presentation of data with this example. While presenting the data graphically, we have to follow some rules. These are as follows. So first rule is prepare the suitable title of the graph. Now in this example, we have to present the number of students year-wise in a college. So we prepare a title as number of students in a college. The first rule is prepare suitable title. Now second, we will draw the axis on coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis. I have drawn axis in a coordinate plane. The horizontal axis is x-axis. The vertical axis is y-axis. And their point of intersection is origin. It is denoted by O. Origin is denoted by O. Now, the second rule is mention the measurement unit. That means label the axis. Now, we have to present year-wise strength of students. That means there are two variables. One is year and second is number of students. So, we will take the variable year on x-axis. So right here years, and on y-axis we will take number of students. Number of students, it is also referred as frequencies. So instead of writing number of students, we can write frequency also. Now the next rule is choose proper scale or select the proper scale. Now along x-axis we have taken years. So along x-axis are years and along y-axis number of students. So we will write the scale. Along y-axis, we will take 1 unit is equal to 200 students. Shortly, I have denoted students as ST. Now 1 unit is equal to 200 students and along x-axis years. Now while plotting, the bar does not govern by any rules. So, but we have to keep in mind that the width of each bar should be equal and the space between two bars it should be equal. Distance from origin at this one and decide the width of the first year is 2000. So write here 2000. Then keep the same distance between two bars, that means this type. Now the second next year is 2001, then 2002. Now next is 2003 and last is 2000. Now consider y-axis. Along y-axis we have taken number of students and our scale is, we have decided the scale as 1 unit is equal to 200 students. So mark the points. So So this is 200. So right here 200, then 400, 600, 800, then 1000, then 1200, then 1400. Now the maximum strength of the student is 1400. So we can write up to 1400. The length of bar is equal to the value which they present. Now the first in this year 2000, the number of students is 800. So we will draw the bar considering 800. Now mark the point along on 800. So this is first rectangular bar. 2001 is 700. So mark the point 700 in between 600 and 800. 700. Now this is a bar showing the number of students as 700. In year 2002, the number of students is 1100. So we will take the point 1100. The strength in year 2003 is 1200. So we will mark the 1200. Now this is a bar showing the number of students in year 2003. 2004, the number of students are 1400. So we will take the point 1400. In this way, we plot the bars along x-axis, that means base of the bar is x-axis and y-axis shows the values what they present. Now next step is write the values on the top of the bar. That means show the value in graph. 2000, the number of students is 800. So write here 800, then 700, 1100, then 1200, and here 1400. The first rule is here prepare the title of the graph. Then second rule is draw the axis and label them. That means mention the measurement unit. And third rule is choose the proper scale along the axis. That means along y-axis and along x-axis. Now draw the bars or draw the graph simple. That means the graph should be simple so that one can be easily understood it. Then it should be neat. That means everything is properly shown in the graph. You used the shades or colors or design, then index it. Colors, shades or design. Say if we will use the design as, or if we use the colors as, the first is red, then second is blue, third is blue, orange, yellow, then green. Right here R shows color red, then B for blue, O for orange, Y for yellow, and G for green. In this way, we have discussed here the general rules of presentation of data graphically. In next part, we will consider the graphical presentation of own group data.